Bitcoin cost is at a significant intersection in its recuperation rally that could choose its full-scale viewpoint. Financial backers need to practice alert as the Mt. Gox trade intends to deliver 150,000 BTC to its clients. A false recovery that pushes the enormous crypto up to huge levels appears to be conceivable before an accident starts. Bitcoin cost is endeavoring to move higher against a gigantic group of obstruction levels, which are all attempting to stop its bullish energy. Financial backers should be cautious exchanging around this level as it could observe some serious unpredictability on the lookout. Mt. Gox show is reaching a conclusion. Bitcoin cost is well over the $21,000 level after the meeting throughout the course of recent hours. This unpredictability comes as Mt. Gox, the lawyer Nobuaki Kobayashi, and a selected legal administrator in the restoration cycle uncovered that they were getting ready to make installments to clients. Albeit the arrangement was initially endorsed in 2018, it was affirmed in 2021, yet the BTC that will be shipped off the impacted clients has dropped from 850,000 to around 150,000. Be that as it may, a more critical gander at the on-chain measurements shows Mt. Gox has 137,890 BTC in its trade hold. At the ongoing cost of $21,700, the 150,000 BTC would be valued at $3.25 billion. A ballpark estimation proposes that regardless of whether half of the holders choose to sell their property, it would add a gigantic measure of offering strain to the generally feeble and battered BTC bulls. Consequently, it could set off a gigantic auction. Some even conjecture that it could catalyze a dark swan occasion all by itself. Thus, we should investigate Bitcoin cost and how it would respond if such an open were to occur and what levels could uphold the expected accident. Bitcoin cost and implications. Bitcoin cost has energized 27% in its recuperation endeavor after the ruthless auction to $17,605. While this move has caused numerous altcoins to go through monstrous skips. Throughout the course of recent hours, BTC has climbed 7% and is presently retesting the 200-week simple moving average, SMA. This obstacle is incredibly huge from a verifiable stance and has denoted the lower part of each Bitcoin cycle with a little deviation underneath it. In any case, BTC cost made history on this break by delivering not one yet 4 week after week candle closes beneath this level. Some conjecture that this recuperation rally could penetrate through the 200-week SMA and tag the $25,000 mental level. Indeed, even before this level is returned to BTC value requirements to go through the middle obstruction level at $23,480, this run-up could only be a fleeting, false recovery, baiting in unbeknownst financial backers into a snare before the market falls down once more. Supporting this move up to $25,000 is into the blocks in, out of the money around price, IOMAP, model. This record shows that there are somewhat hardly any submerged holders up to generally $25,000. Then again, the help group of financial backers that have their property in the money are probably going to keep the market supported at those levels. Market members can anticipate that these financial backers should try and add more to their possessions and push BTC cost up with practically zero obstruction. While the false recovery could appear to be on a superficial level like the starting points of major areas of strength for a run, and all rainbows and daylight, things could pivot rapidly. Adding confidence to this proposition are late messages shipped off Mt. Gox clients about the restoration interaction. If these 150,000 BTC are shipped off clients, they could flood the market with inordinate selling strain and trigger the second leg of the false recovery situation for Bitcoin value, which is a ruthless auction in such a case. Financial backers can anticipate that BTC should return to the $19,065 support level, which is the midpoint of the void, stretching out from $29,424 to $11,898. Consequently, a breakdown of THS obstruction could be the way to setting off the following leg down to $11,898 or the help levels present above it. Further adding more the bull's troubles is the 4-hour diagram appended underneath. This IMG shows that the 200-week SMA isn't the main danger tormenting BTC. The intersection of the 204-hour SMA, 204-hour exponential moving average, EMA, and the 34-day EMA, green, at generally $22,700, shows that the potential gain is covered generally around the 200-week SMA. While things could look incredibly negative for Bitcoin value, a day-to-day candle close above $29,563 would be the beginning of an upswing, as this move would wipe out every one of the misfortunes experienced since beginning of June. Notwithstanding, an affirmation of the bull run would happen, in the event that Bitcoin cost delivers a week-by-week candle close above $52,000. Thanks for watching. Friends, I really need your support, so if you liked this video, please like, subscribe to the channel and write any comment right now.